Hello you beautiful people, it's Liquid here giving you a warm welcome back or to the channel. As always, I hope you are doing awesome wherever this video finds you today. We are continuing our National Museum of Flight videos and taking a walk around of the iconic Tornado. With the recent announcement of the Tornado coming to DCS in the future, something I'm hugely excited about, I thought this was the perfect video to follow on after our Jaguar walk around. Now this variant we will be taking a look at is the F3. It was the RAF's primary fighter for a number of years, and it was also used in the interceptor role. The aircraft itself is slightly longer than the GR1, and this was to accommodate the Skyflash missiles and the AI-24 Foxhunter radar mounted in the nose. The F3 was an aircraft I became very familiar with as it was a common sight in the skies above Dundee when I was younger. Living just across the water from RAF Leuchars had its perks. Now I do mention Leuchars so often in various videos, but honestly, if it wasn't for Leuchars, I probably wouldn't be the aviation addict that I am these days. This very aircraft that we're taking a look at saw action during the 1991 Gulf War and was based in Saudi Arabia carrying out combat air patrols. Apart from that, it spent most of its life based at RAF Leuchars. Now the F3 served with the RAF right up until 2011 when it was replaced by the Typhoon. Like I mentioned in the Jaguar video, you really can get up close and personal with these machines. And the military hangar here in the museum has this great collection of iconic aircraft used throughout the years here in the UK. So there you have it. I really hope you have enjoyed this one, and I'll be bringing you more videos from the museum very soon. So big thanks to you as always for watching, and until the next one, take care, stay safe. This is Liquid, signing off.